to my YouTube channel. For new viewers, welcome to Beyond Being D. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment, and also watch my other videos on my channel. If you've been watching my videos, that means you've come across a video I did on living area tour, and if you've not watched it, please go back and watch it. So for today's video, we're going to do a kitchen tour, so come with me and I hope you enjoy. So guys, come with me and let's have a look. So from when you open the door to the kitchen, the first thing you find there is this doormat. Yes, I love it there. Sometimes when it's you dust or what, you can at least you clean your legs here. And then I have my flower here. You know I love flowers. And we realize different kitchens have different shapes, or anyway, you know how kitchens can be. So it's upon you to know how you arrange your things for you to get a space where you can cook and maybe where you can wash your utensils, and it's upon you to decide how you arrange your kitchen. So for me, I have my meko here, cooker here. This is because this is the only space that can accommodate it. So guys, on this other side of the door, this is where I have my fridge here. This is the only place that could accommodate this fridge. So this other thing you can see here, it's a part of my pantry because I don't have enough cabinet on the other side, and I'll do a video on how you can get such and how you can arrange that. Stay connected for you to get that. And then next is my window here. I keep telling you, you have to play along how you find your kitchen size or how you find it. So these are my curtains. You know I love long curtains. I don't love the short ones, and I think I love them the way they are. And here we have these kind of traditional seats. Yes, it's three-legged stool. Yeah, this is where I sit sometimes when I want to stay in my kitchen. And then the next thing we have here, we have, of course, a dispenser here and water. And yes, this is where my meko is supposed to be. But if you look at the window, we can't have my meko here because you know these are the sockets that are supposed to be used on the meko. So I couldn't have it here because I'm not even going to be able to open my cabinet. So that is why I had to switch it from the other side. I hope you understand that, so that you don't ask why I decided to put my dispenser here. So guys, the next thing is this my countertop, and on my countertop I really try not to have a lot of things here. The more the countertop you have, I know you tend to put a lot of things on top of it, and I really try not to do that because it will mess up your kitchen. And kitchen is one of the places you're supposed to make sure it's clean. So this is my serviette holder. This is my other decor. This is where I keep my glass, wine glass, or yeah, water bottle. And then you can also see where I keep my fruits here on the countertop. You will not find a lot of things, my kitchen things on the countertop, because it makes the place look messy. And at least here we have two sockets. This one can be one for your jug, and then the other you can use it on your microwave once I get one. And next thing is you can see is we have those cabinets there. Yeah, you can see them. I'll also go, I'm going to show you how to arrange your cabinets on another video, that is. And those cabinets, yes, they're not enough, so that is why you have to improvise something else. And then this one, I have this rack here. I know everybody has a rack like this one, or if not like this one, at least this is where you dry your utensils. And then after they're dried, you can have them back to the cabinet. This is my sink. Yes, this is where the landlord decided I have my sink. And this other place here, this is where I hang things that I really need to hang, like my pan, my other things, and bottle opener. Then we have this empty space here. We have this empty space here. that I am yet to know what to do to it, because I need to use the space. But because I'm not sure if I'm staying here for so long, I thought of having more cabinets here, but I need time to think about it. And this is where my gas cylinder is for the Meko here. And then when we come to this other side here, yes, you can see I have those mtungi there. That's another story for another day. And so guys, this is where I keep my utensils, that is spoons and plastics, anything plastic in my kitchen. And then this is where I keep my cups, yes, and saucer. And this is where I keep my plates and yeah, my plates. Then on these two, this is where I keep my what? Yes, it's still a storage, so I keep other things inside here, those that I don't want to appear on my countertop. On top of my counter table, you can see here, I have this art that I made for my kitchen. You must watch on my videos. I have one of the videos that I showed you guys how I made this, and we have another one on the other side. Here, I have this other one here. Cooking is love made visible. Sorry for the ease. It appeared twice. I noticed when I was done with my art. And probably you're wondering what is this. This one you just use to kill those small flies that are in the kitchen. In case you spot one, just yeah, you just kill it using this one. So it's part of my kitchen thing. So guys, that's it for today. Keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing, and let's grow the channel together. Till next time.